Hi, I'm Bharat. I'm a growth engineering intern here at SingleStore. I'm a rising senior at UC Santa Barbara studying computer engineering. The big thing that I love about engineering is just being able to make stuff and then being able to see people use it and the excitement or joy or usefulness that brings to them. That's definitely what drives me forward to keep making stuff every day. And today we have a very exciting presentation about some of SingleStore's iceberg capabilities. What actually inspired me to go into engineering in the first place was my sister. When I was in kindergarten, she was like in 6th grade, she competed in like robotics competitions. Her team would meet at our house. I would like be there like walking around and seeing what all the kids are doing and like annoying them, asking what's this and what's that. That's what like first got me excited, like the world of engineering as a whole. As I went to middle school and high school, I also competed in robotics tournaments. From there, I was introduced to like the software side of things. That's where I got into programming. My favorite programming editor has been Cursor lately, the VS Code fork. My favorite AI tool is also probably Cursor. Specifically, I use the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model a lot in it. You know, a common problem with writing any code is like debugging errors, right? So I found that using LLMs like Claude 3.5 Sonnet is super helpful to kind of narrow down and identify specific problem areas in your code. If you have like a rough idea of like some structure that you want to implement, it can be a really nice way to like back and forth exchange ideas, almost like you're talking to like another developer right next to you. Something I do outside of work to sort of decompress is I like going cycling a lot. I think it's a great way, one, you get exercise, but also I like just feeling the wind and then going outside and seeing different scenery, going to different places. I think it's a really nice way to kind of take my mind off everything that's going on and just be kind of in the moment. I think the main thing I do to kind of get in my focus zone is listen to music. It's a lot of like hip hop and R&B right now. I think lately I've been listening to a lot of Vic Mensa. Definitely a night owl. I don't know why, but like when it's like 2 a.m., sometimes that's when I get my most work done. Like I'm just fully in the zone. There's no distractions. I guess everyone's asleep, so there's no text coming in, no notifications. So Gaucho Racing is a club at UC Santa Barbara that competes in the Formula Electric competition. This is a collegiate competition where student teams design and build an electric race car, and they actually compete every year in Michigan. It provided like a very unique type of experience in the programming world as well, since all the cars operate off of microcontrollers. So I learned a lot of like embedded systems programming, which was a whole new world for me coming in there. I think the toughest thing about being a developer is just having the courage to put something out there and get people using it. A lot of times people want to, perfect something. They want to make sure everything's working perfectly. There's no mistakes before they get it out. But oftentimes that leads to releasing something too late. I think it's very valuable to get user feedback as soon as possible on your products.